Hello parents and students enrolled in Renaissance Music Academy's Music Mind Games Level 1. And what you'll need today, you'll need your musical alphabet cards. And you see here we have a bird's eye view, which is how I would teach normally. The kids would be gathered around me in a circle and the parents would be in chairs observing. And then I would dismiss the students and we would go play games. So that's how, this is just, at this time, this is how we're going to have to do it. So, our musical alphabet. So moms and dads, make sure your child is watching this video with you because I'll be explaining how the games work and also showing. Musical alphabet starts with A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Super easy, right? My Music Mind Games friends, super easy. Now, the musical alphabet does not always start on A, so we're gonna mix them up, right? Your music doesn't start on the note A. It might start on C, it might start on G. So, I'm gonna pick E, all right? So what comes after E? You can easily just sing your ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Wait, I don't have an H because this is the musical alphabet. So when we get to G, the musical alphabet starts all over again with A, B, C, D. And it's okay if it wraps around like this. We call this snake. All right, so moms and dads and friends, do we all get the gist of this? Let's do one more going forward, starting on D. On your mark, get set, go. You can just watch me right now. You don't need to play. B, C. And then when you're done, you can say fine. Fine in music means the end, or finished. All right. One more lesson I want to show you with these. And if this is super easy and your student is confident going forward in the music alphabet, great. If they're struggling a little bit and slow, that's okay too. This game is really easy to practice and they can practice this on their own. However, remember the music goes up the staff and it also comes down the staff. So we need to sequence our musical alphabet going backwards. So I like to do this going from top to bottom, and I might run out of room here with my camera. On your mark, get set, go. See? This is the musical alphabet going backwards. So I had to ask myself, what comes before G? F. Now this is trickier, and this is usually what students have to practice the most. All right, my friends, now I'm gonna turn my camera this way because I have a funny feeling that, oh, that's not very helpful, is it? It's okay, we can fix this. All right, so we can put away our musical alphabet cards. We're all done with these. And now I want you to get out your rhythm playing cards. They're blue and yellow. So this is going to be a short lesson. All right, my friends. So there's going to be a lot of cards. And some of the children will recognize these and have seen them before. Some of them will be able to say their names. Some of your children will not know the names. So we're gonna go through this very quickly. So let's do a kind of matching game. I have to start with, these are dotted notes, moms and dads. If you want to go through the set and pull out all the notes that have a dot, you can do that. Don't worry, we will talk about dotted notes this semester. We will not ignore them. But, right, this is called our 16th note. Say 16th note. Fabulous. Now, this is our 8th note. We've got note head, stem, and a flag. say 8th note. You notice our 16th note has 2 flags. This is the shortest note. And as we move in this direction, each note is going to get longer. And this is our quarter note with a note head and 1 stem, no flag. And then we have half note. So if you see the note head here is empty, we have a stem. And this is our whole note. Now I'm not going to talk about the value today. We use our bingo chips and gold coins for all that, and it's lots of fun, and I promise we dive into that soon. But right now I want them just to remember what the shortest, what the longest is. And remember, moms and dads, take out these dotted notes. Just go ahead and remove those from your deck. All right, so we have, I'm going to say the names again. We have 16th note, 8th note, quarter note, half note, whole note. There we go. Now let's match these up with their rests. So each note has a rest with equal value. 16th note, 16th rest. 8th note, 8th rest. Quarter note, right here, quarter rest. And half note, and I remember half note, looks like a hat. Half note, they both have ha in the word. And then this is our whole note here. It's just circle, just an empty note head. And this is our whole rest. And I remember whole rest because it looks like a hole in the ground. All right, and there's a little dog here in the bottom left-hand corner, so you don't accidentally flip your cards the wrong way. You always know the dog's going to be down at the bottom here. So that's it, my friends. The game is very quickly, now it depends on your student what they feel comfortable doing, but this is another Fine game. So moms and dads, we can just start with our blue cards. These are our note cards, our rhythm playing note cards. And moms and dads, you just mix them up and you say, okay, put them in order from shortest to longest. All right, so they're going to put them in order. 16th. No. Okay. 8th, then quarter, then half, then whole. Fine, right? Remind your student to say fine, because that's fun. We want to have fun and see if they can remember the names of these notes. And if you need to write them down, that's okay. 16th, 8th, quarter, half, whole. All right, if they struggled, go ahead and do it a few more times. And if it was a piece of cake for them and they're ready for more of a challenge, go ahead and mix up these yellow cards and say, okay, match them up. And so encourage them to match the correct rest with the note of equal value. Fine, right? So they're done. And if you wanna, if that gets boring, but they still need a little bit more work, a little bit more practice, this is a fun game called Chance. Well, here, before we learn Chance Match, we would do this one, which is moms or dads, you tell them to close their eyes. And mix them up, put them out wrong, okay? And say, okay, open your eyes. And then they would have to say, okay, this is right. Whoa, this is wrong. This is right. Half. This is right. Oh, this is wrong. And then they would switch. Okay, let's fix the order. And then Chance Match, I'm gonna squeeze one more game in here. Maybe even two. Chance match is moms and dads, you just mix up the cards. Have your bingo chips nearby. I've got a big bag here. All right, Chance Match. So and then you flip. You say, okay, let's see if I got any matches. Ooh, lucky I got a match here. This is not a match. Okay, so I got one match, so I'm gonna leave that here. Sorry. And you can give yourself a point. Because points are fun, right? Point. All right, so then I'm only going to do these last four. I'm only gonna mix up these. Mix them up, mixing. Children love to mix, or moms and dads, you can mix it for them. And then they go in order, just left to right. Boom, 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 boom. Look at that. I got a match, yay! All right, so I got a match. And of course, moms and dads, while you're playing this game with them, remind them, okay, so tell me what the name of this is. This is a 16th note and 16th rest. All right, tell me the name of this. We know it's a match. What is its name? This is an 8th rest, 8th note. So on and so forth, right? We would take these, mix them up, okay? And then do the same thing again. All right, but I want to show you one more game. I just feel like we are short. And FaceTime and this sort of thing. All right, so there is a game. You would use your whole set. I've got a skinny set here, but you would use your whole set, moms and dads, of rhythm playing cards. Take out all the dotted notes. Okay, so you could just cut the deck. I need somebody to sit in for me. Let's see who I can find here. All right, she's on the other team here. Okay, I'm playing. It's me against her. All right. Okay. So this is called War, and it's a super fun game, and it's going to get your child very excited about music mind games. And it's going to reinforce note value, even though we really haven't broken that down yet. All right, so she got, and I got this. Oh, see my doggy, it helps me turn my card the right way. So in this game called War, rhythm playing cards War, the shortest note wins, the note with the shortest value. So she's got an 8th note, and look here, I have a half rest. This is longer, and this is shorter, so she wins. I have to give her my cards so she can start a pile. It's like, yay, I won. All right, so let's go again. So she got a half note, and I got a 16th rest. So I win, my note's shorter. Now moms and dads, if you're feeling overwhelmed because I'm going fast, no worries, because you have a guide card in there. You've got multiple, at least two guide cards, and then you have even I think a game card in there that might break down some of these games that I just went over for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload this. We learned musical alphabet Fine with our music alphabet going forward and backward. Forward should be pretty easy, but definitely practice going backwards. We learned rhythm playing cards Fine with our 5 notes and 5 rests. And then we also learned War. So good luck, I'll see you soon.